Hello guys, how you guys doing? It's your boy David B, or you can call me Good Life guys. Guys, it's been a while since I posted a trade update or I posted a trade analysis for you guys. It's because I've been really choked up this past few weeks and during the past months. I've been really choked up with my academic stuffs, my school stuff, so I've been really choked up guys. But right now I am here to give you guys the banger, the latest update, guys. I have only one trade for you guys right now. I have only one single trade for you guys, which in the course of my staying away from making videos, I took two trades. I took two trades. I took a trade on gold, guys. I took a trade on gold, guys. I took a trade on gold, which I saw that on gold price created something like a wage pattern, a rising wage. You can see guys, sorry, a symmetric pattern, right? A symmetric pattern. Price created a symmetric pattern around there. So I saw price create this level, and also price wasn't really like for the past like few weeks, gold wasn't really like adding up. I only took a trade here that I made profits, and I posted this trade live on my channel, guys. And guys, how did I take this trade? So I basically added my counter trend line and added this counter trend line too, and I wasn't quite sure of where price was going to go to, so I kept this level and I kept this second level. Remember guys, before I can take a trade, I need price to break either above my level or below my level, for a sell below, for a buy above. So I was waiting for price to break either above this level or below this level, but price broke above that level. So I went to the 4 hours time frame and I looked at the 4 hours candle that broke above the level. It broke above the level and also broke above the counter trend line. So there you have it. I took this trade on gold and it was a good win for me on gold, guys. It was a very good win for me on gold. So now this was the second trade I took during that long period that I stayed away from making videos. I took this trade on gold, and I also took a trade on US30, which I posted on my channel. I posted this trade on my channel. Yes, I took a trade on US30, guys. And remember, guys, I drop every single bit of analysis before I take them, so that it's an evidence that I do the actual trading, guys. So guys, I also saw on US30 that price was actually creating something around there, but I currently didn't know what price was creating. I wasn't sure because first off, when you are trading, when you are excuse me guys, when you are planning to take a trade, guys, always take buy and sell into consideration. If it breaks above this level, I buy. But what if it does not break above that level? Then there should be something that must trigger you into a sell. So guys, I saw price create this counter trend, this temporary downtrend. So I added my counter trend line, and I also added my level. And beneath here, I was waiting for price. If price, I told myself that if price breaks below here, that I'm going to sell. But if price breaks above that, is going to be a buy for me. And there you have it. Price came here, rejected this level, and went and broke above this level. That was how I entered this trade, and then there you have it. This is a 1:2 trade. That was how I entered this trade, guys. That was how I entered this trade. So those are the two trades I took on during that period that I was like, I was off. I didn't take much trade. I only took only two trades. But right now, guys, I have a juicy trade for you guys. I have only one, and as time goes on, I'll be adding more trades, like dropping more analysis for you guys. Please pardon me, guys. I don't really know what is happening with me right now. So guys, I've discovered something. I've discovered something that I would like to share with you guys. Now, if you are a swing trader, and I won't also lie, during that past period, I lost some money. I lost like some money, like a valuable amount of money. I lost a valuable amount of money, but I took those two trades, and yes, there you have it. I made up for it. But now, I discovered something that I would like to share. If you are a swing trader, yes, you guys currently, you guys can clearly hear me. If you are a swing trader, please, I want you to go to the monthly time frame and observe the overall trend. If the overall trend is trending upwards, fine. Or if it's trending downwards, fine. But I want you to note something. When you come to the monthly time frame as a swing trader, and then you see that the overall trend of the monthly time frame is pointing to the upside, whatsoever you do in the daily time frame, in the weekly time frame, and in the 4 hours time frame, because as a swing trader you're holding your trades for days and weeks, make sure you buy. That the only thing you're doing is buy, except on the monthly time frame price decide to change. But make sure that when you go to the weekly time frame and you go to the daily time frame, the only thing that you are looking at is a buy signal. Yeah, the only thing that you should be looking at is a buy signal. So I have seen that currently the price is currently pushing upwards on NAS 100 on the daily time frame, and on the monthly time frame is the overall direction is bullish. So now guys, I'm looking for buy setups, just buy setups. So now you can currently see that this is the current level at which USD is. There was, I don't know what happened today, maybe there was news today, but right now this is the daily time frame, and I can see that price is creating a temporary retracement. So what do? I apply two things. I apply my counter trend line connecting the wicks of the candles, the wicks of the swing highs, and then I apply my line, let me call it my level, to the recent structure, that if it breaks, then I know that price have changed its structure. That is here. So now I'll be waiting for a candle break. You can clearly hear me, guys. I'll be waiting for a candle break above here, and I'll be waiting for that candle break above there on the 4 hours time frame. I'm waiting for that candle break on the 4 hours time frame. Yes, I'm waiting for that 4 hours, for that candle break on the 4 hours time frame. So my entry will be looking like this. A close after the close of that candle. Yep, I'll take a little to the close of the breakout candle. My stop loss will be at the bottom of the close of the breakout candle. Then I'll extend a 2:1. Yep, I'll extend the 2:1. Yes. So now you've heard it here first on Good Life TV, or you can call it Good Life channel, that we are on Nasdaq. We're looking at Nasdaq for a buy, but Nasdaq is not yet ready. You guys know me that when Nasdaq is ready, I'm going to come online here and I'm going to share the trade analysis with you guys. But right now, Nasdaq isn't ready. So what do? We sit on our hands and wait, because me and my team, we already enjoyed a good profit on gold and US30. US30 was first, then gold was next. So now that is it on NAS 100, guys. I am on a buy on NAS 100, and guys, if you are seeing this, make sure too that you are also anticipating a buy on NAS 100, guys. So that's that. And let me see, I have another pair that I would like to share with you guys. Okay, I'll check out, like, let me make this video a little bit long so that you guys can really, because there's another pair I am observing now. Like I said, that if you come to the monthly time frame as a swing trader, you go to the monthly time frame, you look at the monthly time frame, and then the overall direction, the overall bias of the monthly time frame is telling you bullish. Whatsoever you're going to be doing in the weekly time frame, whatsoever you're going to be doing in the daily time frame, the only thing you should be looking for is buy signals. So now this is German 30, and guys, why did I come up with this strategy? That's because that I've been noticing that anytime I'm in a bullish, like I noticed that a pair is currently bullish, like German 30, and there's a temporary retracement going on, I would like to go and feast on that temporary retracement. I'll observe that I end up losing money. But when I stick to the flow of like the overall direction, which is on the monthly time frame bullish, I end up making a whole lot of money. So now what do I see on German 30? We can see a bullish trend to the upside, You can see a bullish trend to the upside on German 30 on the monthly time frame. So now I scale down. I don't really need the weekly time frame, so I'll jump directly to the daily time frame, where I apply my counter trend line and I apply my levels. But before, why would I apply my counter trend line levels, guys? I have seen this level of temporary retracement. I call it temporary retracement because price will always break it. This is just a retracement and price is going to break it. If you go to the weekly time frame, you currently see that this level area is a retracement, and also this level here is kind of a level that price is refusing to break. Let me zoom it in. Let me zoom it in. Yep, this is the weekly time frame. I can see that price is rejecting all these weeks. Yeah, that's where my counter trend line is, and then I've marked my level. This is the level that price is refusing to break above on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, looking like a ranging market, but if you go down to the daily time frame, it's not looking like a ranging market. It's looking like price has formed a bit of a retracement around there. Yeah, this retracement around there, this retracement going on around there. So now, guys, I have been able to discover that yes, that no doubt that German 30 is currently retracing. That's fine, but I'm still on a buy on German 30. Remember, since the monthly time frame is signifying, is giving us a bullish trend, I'll always be looking for buy setup. So right now I've applied my counter trend line, and let me delete this and keep a good level, that if price breaks above there and then breaks above this level, price breaks above my counter trend line and then breaks above this level with a candle close, then I am involved in this trade, guys. Yep, then I'm involved in this trade, guys. So this is it for German 30, and yep, this is it for German 30. And also, yeah, German 30 I'm currently bullish, and yeah, this is it. So we wait for a candle close above this level, and there you have it. That's the bullish trend for it. So I'm bullish on German 30, and yes, guys, I noticed something on BTC that I would also like to share with you guys. So now that is, I told you guys there's one, but right now it's 3 pairs I'm looking at right now, 3 pairs. So now on the overall time frame, on the monthly time frame on BTC, we are currently looking at a very, very massive bullish structure. Looking at a very, very massive bullish structure. So now I'll scale down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I can see that price is currently at this level on BTC. Is looking at this current level of support on BTC. So now I'll go down to the daily time frame. I don't know, I love counter trend lines and break of structure. I've already applied my counter trend line here. So now price is currently sitting up top of this level. So I've applied my counter trend line here, and I'm also applying my break of structure. So if I can see a close of a candle on the 4 hours time frame above this level, then there you have it. Then we'll be buying BTC, guys. So remember, guys, it's also a buy on BTC. Everything I'm looking at right now is a buy. I'm on a buy on BTC. I'm on a buy on German 30, and I'm on a buy on NAS 100. So guys, let's look out for all these pairs. So I'm going to be waiting for them to actualize. You can join me and monitor them, guys. So when it actualizes, I'm also going to be dropping a video, guys. So guys, it's your boy Good Life, and please, guys, I am back again, and I promise you guys that there will be no breaking transmission. That as I've come back, I'll be dropping videos back to back analysis for those of you that knows how to trade but does not know a pair to trade. But for those of you that are trying to learn and start up your trading journey,